Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with the exterior lighting package, which is going to give you active LED headlamps and an adaptive high beam assist. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLB 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, ambient lighting, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also got a push start ignition, rear view backup camera. Also new to Mercedes is our touchscreen media center. Our newest technology is MBUX, which is Mercedes artificial intelligence. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
what can I do for you?
Change ambient light to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands and it will do so. We've got a dual climate control, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad for infotainment center, volume, and dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLB has 3,896 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB 250, check out feldmannimports.com.